Hi everyone, happy Friday. Welcome back. My name is Avril, and if you are new to my channel, I upload a video every Friday. So please do consider subscribing and hit the bell to support my channel. Hi guys, thank you for joining. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you a simple and easy to do DIY IKEA hack. Want to know how it's done? Stay tuned. Okay guys, to start on today's project, you will need an IKEA wooden pine box, some glue and also some old newspaper. I started off by ripping my newspaper into tiny bits. Here I'm using an old newspaper which I got from a garage sale a couple of years ago. But for this project you could use any type of paper you got in hand. Once you're done ripping all your newspaper, it's time to set up for the next stage and start gluing. Here I'm using Elmer's Cool Glue which I got in hand. I would have preferred to use Mod Podge for this project, but I couldn't get any in stock. Anyways, I poured the glue into a container and added a little water to make it a runny consistency. Afterwards, I took a paintbrush and applied the glue onto the pine crate box. And then followed it by pasting the paper which I ripped earlier onto the box. This is a step-by-step process and it's better to always do one panel at a time. The desired look for this project depends on how you place the paper onto the crate. By using this collage technique, you could customize this crate to any desired look you're after. Just remember to keep applying the glue every time you use a new piece of paper. This ensures a stronger bond onto the crate. Once you're done pasting the paper on all of the 5 panels, at the end of it, it is better to always give it a second coat of glue for stronger durability. I repeated this process for all of the panels and set it out to dry. Several hours later, once it was completely dry, I took a 240 grit sandpaper and gave it a slight sanding. Here you see me sanding the edges to give it a clean finish look. I repeated this process for all of the remaining panels and prepared for the next step. Now it's time to paste the back of the crate. At this stage, I wanted to do something different. So I decided to go for a clean finish look. Here you see me pasting the entire paper onto the wooden crate. This is how I achieved getting my clean finish look. Afterwards, using a pair of scissors, I trimmed off the edges and then applied more glue to the back of the panel. And afterwards, using the back end of my paintbrush, I slit open the gaps between the crate. This technique helped me paste the gaps neatly and give it a clean finish look. Once I was done, I repeated the process for all of my remaining panels and set it aside to dry. Now the panels are dry and ready to be assembled. Here you see me screwing in the nails and putting it together. It was not that hard. Once you have put your box together, it's time to do some touch-ups. Here you see me pasting some paper on areas that was not visible when the box was not assembled. Once you're done with your touch-ups, the next step is to give this box a rustic look. So I decided to screw in some corner brackets on all of the panels to get my desired look. Here you see me measuring it to the center of the panel. Afterwards, using a black wooden screw, I screwed it in place. I repeated this process on all 4 corners of the crate box. Now the box is ready to be used as a nightstand or a storage box. All you got to do is use 2 different types of legs to get these 2 looks. Here you see me fixing roller wheels to the bottom of the crate box, which I afterwards used as a decorative storage box. And for my next look, which was a nightstand, I just swapped the roller wheels to some legs. It was that easy, just swapping legs or roller wheels just to get two different looks out of one crate box. This is how it turned out, and I love how I got two uses out of one crate box. Please do leave a comment and let me know what you think about it. Okay guys, hope you got inspired and enjoyed watching this video. Please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified every time I upload a video. Until next time, happy crafting!